Hey guys, my name is Anthony Tracy and today we're going to be doing the top 5 best Jamaican reality shows. Run it! Number 5, All Together Sing. So All Together Sing is a reality competition show where you have like different school choirs. They battle it out for number 1. It's a pretty good wholesome family show. Number 4, Rising Stars.
Live life, you hear me? Move to the left, you hear me?
The material is nonsensical.
I know I might get some heat for this one because, Rising Stars is the biggest reality competition show we've ever had. After the first couple seasons or so, it kind of got a bit formulaic for me, but you can't deny the impact. Number 3, Magnum King and Queen of Dancehall. Alright, so to me, Magnum King and Queen of Dancehall, it wasn't just a TV show. It was a movement, alright? It gave raw Jamaican talent a real platform and it helped to push dancehall culture even further into the spotlight. Number 2, Teacher's Pet. This show had Jamaica in a chokehold. It was highly controversial. It was messy. It was everything reality TV is supposed to be, alright?
She go sleep out and come back hungry. In Jamaica, when you go sleep out with your man, you come home with your belly full and your pocket full. She come, she don't go put on her bag enough, straight in the kitchen now the girl hungry.
The show had no real structure, but we never really care. Before I unveil my number 1 pick, here are a few honorable mentions. Number 1, The Golden Nugget. Who no might have say, I'm to that idiot boy. He don't even know what I'm talking about. But trust me. It was messy TV.
What was happening in there, I don't know. I care not to.
I don't know where them to get them people here from. I don't know who come up with them challenges here. But the show was just, it was top tier. Did you agree with my picks? What shows would you put in the top 5? Let me know in the comments.